Welcome guys to another tutorial. Hope that you all enjoyed that short intro. Alright, so last night I downloaded Here Let Loose from the Epic Game Store, right? I'll show you all. Alright, so I downloaded the game, and then when I launched the game, I was stuck on this press any button to continue, and while I was pressing the controller, then I tried the keyboard, nothing was working, right? So this is what I did, right? First I went to where the game was installed. So I'm gonna show you all how to fix this problem. I hope that it fixes for you all. If it doesn't work, then maybe it could be another problem, right? But this is how I fixed the problem in the game, right? So I went to program files, Epic Games, Let Loose. Then I went into the anti-cheat, and I click on this, right? I click on this and install it. Alright, and after I went back to here, program files 86, easy anti-cheat. Then I clicked on this, choose your game, repair, finish. Then I went to this and this repair. Alright, and after that, after I did that, I just exit out of Epic Game Store. Alright, I'll show you how to fix the issue with stuck on the screen, right? So I exit that and I start back up Epic Game Store. When I start the game, everything was working, but first, to make sure if the controller is working, before you start the game, unplug the controller and then start the game, and then plug back in the controller and it should work. Alright, so I'm gonna go into the game now and show you that it is working. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so the game is starting up. You're gonna see that the problem is fixed. I'll be able to get into the game. So if you're having problems with the game, try that. Alright guys, you see the game is started up. Alright, so after, if it's taking like long to come to the screen, that means it's loading the textures, right? So you don't have to worry. Alright, alright guys, we're in the game now, as you see. So as you're in the game, remember, before you start the game, make sure your controller is plugged out, and as the game starts up, just press escape, and once you get to the screen that's saying press any button, then press any button, and then once you're in the game, just plug back in your controller. Everything should be alright. So yeah, that's how you'll fix the problem, because last night I was having some problem to get to the game and I wasn't getting to the game, it wasn't working. So make sure to go into settings and turn off some of the settings that you don't need. Alright, so let's get into a match. Alright, so once I'm in a match, guys, I'll be back. It will take some time to connect. So once I'm in a game, I will be back, right? Alright guys, as you can see in the game, create a unit. Alright, So once in the game, select our units. Alright, so once I create a unit, you will go to game. Some game, I'll be back. Alright guys, as you see I'm in the game. I'm in the game right now and it's working. As you see I'm in the game now. I'm in the game and it's working. While recording and I'm getting about 30 to 20 FPS, but if I don't record it will move smooth, but the game is working, as you see. Alright, so if you're stuck on the press this button to continue screen, this is how you'll fix the problem and you'll be able to go into the game. But this game is a team-based game, so you need to get a team to play this game here. Otherwise you're gonna lose a lot. So yeah. I know the game is moving slow because I'm recording, guys. As you see, it's working. Very beautiful game, beautiful graphics. You'll see classic games United in there. And it's a little bit high. If I don't record the game, it moves slow, but because I'm recording here, it's moving a little bit slow. So I hope that this tutorial helps and you also fix the problem with stuff on the full screen. Right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take me to 10,000 subscribers and I'll have a big surprise for you, right? Don't forget to purchase my merchandise in my online store. Game is pretty much working, guys. Alright? Because last night I was stuck on that segment. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next tutorial to come, right? Take care and bye.